Governor also said he would appoint an interim senator, but not to expect. Oh, hello. Oh, nope.
Dinner outside.
Oh, wait a second. He can't do that up here. They can be up here, but okay.
I should have put the dance.
You got to stop that more. All right, let's go to this.
Wow. Như vậy thì
Now, if court proceedings end early, be sure to watch our full version.
Reporter Kristen Thorne is in Smithtown in Suffolk County tonight. She continues.
Oh, Ali, are you okay?
I'm back.
Okay.
You got me?
I tell you what, you working for Marvel, the Super Bowl commercial, did you get a lot of reaction to that Super Bowl commercial?
What Super Bowl commercial?
Oh, you know what? I've admit my mistake. You know what?
See, you're as crazy as the people on Twitter.
Right.
I'm not Lawrence Fishburne.
That's my fault. I know that. That was my fault. My mistake. You know what?
We don't all look alike.
Flavia, you're
We may
exactly
be all
right.
black and famous.
You
but
are
we all don't look
guilty.
alike.
Well, I won't be talking to the rose expert anymore.
I know. But you can ask me anything about peonies. I love peonies.
Oh, flowers. Peonies. Yes,
Peonies.
yes. If you didn't get a chance to check out, I'm so sorry.
If you love drama, then you're a very happy person tonight. Never a dull moment with these Kings. At times it looked like it wasn't going to happen. Then an incredible moment occurred late in the second overtime against the Rangers.
88 degrees. We go down to 76 for Friday. Come on, you remember that TV show? I love the 70s.
Delivered with a remote control. Oh!
Pulitzer Fountain to watch as people protest.
Must have had to beat off a lot of American men to get this part. Why does that make you giggle? Did you not have to beat them off?
you
With a
actually
big
to get
stick?
the role. Imagine there was quite a few men up for the role as well.
There were.
And compose yourself.
Russian police believe Chechen rebels. Grab the Dramamine, everyone.
The offensive coordinator, Tom did you guys just see that football? I saw it.
Scene in Charlotte, North Carolina. 4 firefighters are hurt after a fire truck overturns on the highway this morning.
It is Thursday, March 13th. You are Marcia.
I am. I almost jumped you there. Sorry about that.
Okay. You can jump me anytime. Not that way. Not that way. You know what I meant.
Is you're doing down the departmental spending because you need to find deeper cuts in spending in government departments. So in real terms, that means spending on things like schools, on hospitals. I might give up on that.
Everybody who doesn't have a reason to be outside, inside their homes. You heard from the mayor who said a number of people haven't left. That worries them. But at this point, if you haven't left, don't go.
In die Wertung ein. Dieses Rennen geht nicht in die Wertung ein. Okay. Aber hier ist dein Stunt. Ja, ich probier's auf jeden Fall nochmal. Er muss ja auch.
Stock and media. The chip maker is surging in the free market thanks to a very rosy history with a big business new graphics chips. Also some good signs. Bullshit is not having.
There's a couple of plows demonstrating what I said. What I said, hitting us. All right, there you go. Here comes another one. There, they knocked it. 4 plow trucks. And you can still snow covered. So.
Большим водным артериям, а кто-то довольствует. Están fluctuando entre los 80 hasta los 90 grados. Parece que tenemos un problema, me imagino, con las luces, pero no se preocupen. Seguimos con el tiempo. Las temperaturas para hoy van a ser aproximadamente de 100.
Correspondent Nicholas Richard has the details at Balmoral for us now. Nicholas, what does it say?
Let's bring in Weather Channel meteorologist Mike Seidel. He's in Sugar Mountain, North Carolina. Hi, Mike.
Why?
Well, obviously, Mike, not quite ready for us, but let's turn to some other news we're following on this Saturday night.
Gotten into the worst part of this storm yet. That is to come a little bit later on tonight. So, obviously, here at the College of Charleston, they're already having a good time.
I believe he's on Century. Look at that cross traffic right there. He goes through a red light, and he does this move every time here. He slows down right after he comes through the light, and all the officers have to slow down. There they all are. Now he's in the wrong lanes of traffic once again. Again, part of this familiar pattern that we've gotten to see with this guy. And he's making his way back off to the west and towards LAX once again. And again, thankfully for the law enforcement helicopters on this.
Holy shit!
Plane's coming in from east to west tonight. And that's kind of this new thing that we're really seeing.
It was only used for 2 weeks of the year for breeding, so it wasn't insured.
Running back Ray Rice breaks his silence today, apologizing to his wife and his fans for the allegations that he attacked his wife, knocking her unconscious in a casino elevator this last February. That is not the right video.
Servizio e come avete visto anche oggi una pagina importante del nostro quotidiano Raccontare il Territorio con immagini e notizie, ma finiamo come sempre con gli auguri. Alla prossima edizione di Canale 10 News, arrivederci.
Sorry about that. Come to Chicago, you get a cold.
You'd be right to be skeptical. Thousands of traditional skateboarders.
Oh,
Yeah, good. I'm good.
Over the course of the next few days, you know, right before Thanksgiving, I actually closed the complaint desk, but I'm going to have to reopen it. Hey, King, how are you? Woo! Live TV, how are you, buddy? It's not your turn yet. You have to wait one more segment, okay? Just let me do the weather. I know you're stoked. So are we. All right, let's just go to the map so we can get him off of here in a graceful fashion.
Yes. Miguel Marquez.
Ow, 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 ow! I'm Benji. What's going on? Ow! What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't take me to an elevator! Don't take me to an elevator! Please! Don't take me to an elevator!
As I said, the ambulance just left, a fire truck just left, and there's a firefighter there right now, but everyone is out safely. We're live now.
Before we let you go, since we have you here, we haven't had a chance to kind of talk about some of the...
I'm not speaking about anything that's off topic. This is only about the president.
Well, what about...
Thank you.
All right, so Congressman Michael Grimm does not want to talk about some of the allegations concerning his campaign finances. We wanted to get him on camera on that, but he, as you saw, refused to talk about that. Back to you. Why?
Let me be clear to you. You have to do that to me again. I'll tell you what.
I just wanted to ask you. Why? It's a valid question.
You tell me what the fuck. No, you're not man. You're not man. Great human. Like a boy.
A czemu to kamerujesz, co? Co ty się kamerujesz? Co?
Proszę mnie nie dotykać.
A czemu kamerujesz? Co?
Narusza pani moją nietykalność.
Ale ja się pytam, czemu kamerujesz? Jakie prawo masz, że ty będziesz mnie kamerować? Co? To jest kurwa frajerze. To jest kurwa.
Co jest w ogóle?
Pierdolę ci? Weź trochę. Ale czemu kamerujesz, człowieku? Co? Jakie to zachowania wyjazd? To ja nie mam. Michel, remonte, chodź. Kamera patrzy, kamery, no ty. Ty masz tą twarz? Frajer jebany, czemu człowieku kameruje, co?